Hello everyone, my name is Colin. I live in Cape Town, South Africa, and this is my playroom. I do lots of woodwork, metalwork, and all kinds of odds and ends. So please join me in this next video. Howdy guys, this part of the project is to make a brood box. It's the bottom box of the hive where the frames go in, and we will get straight onto that. So this is the standard brood box with simple rabbet joints on the corners. This is the one we will be making in this video. You can see here the measurements, and there's also a link to a PDF document in the description. This is the alternative brood box with finger joints. This is not one we're going to be making in this video, but I've included it here just for information. So the first thing we're going to do is to rip the length of the wood down to the height of the beehive, which is 241 millimeters. There's all the boards. Okay, so the inside diameter, or the inside distance is the most important, and depending on the thickness of the wood, I might have to adjust the length. So the inside needs to be 465 minimum, which makes the outside 503. So these boards are too thin. Well, not too thin, but they're thinner than I said they were. They're supposed to be 19 millimeter. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm setting this to 50. Okay, so there's all the bits. It should be enough for 6 hives plus 6 spaces. Right, so I'm now going to cut the rabbet for the side of the hive where the frames hang, and that should be 10 millimeter step by 16 millimeters down. Right, so I'm going to cut the rabbit in to all the short sides. So that's the two sides. Exactly the same depth. Here we go. That's the idea. That's the idea. So this is the jig that I use for cutting the handles. So it's basically got a cutout, and these little blocks and things at the back is so that I can clamp it. So these are parallel with the bottom, and the angle of this table is the same angle as a dovetail bit. So on the router I have a dovetail bit with a dovetail follower, so that little collar basically follows around this cutout. To the side, this is the side one, so I need to make sure that it's at the top. So this is a little spacer. There you have it. Very nice, eh? And to drill some holes, got a little template. Okay. Exercise. All right, so there we have it. Just checking squareness. Looks square. Looks pretty flat. Okay, we're good to go. And that's what it looks like in the end. Thanks everyone for watching. That was part 1. And look out for the next couple of videos coming out for the rest of the bits of the hive. Still got the baseboard to make as well as frames. So we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.